Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can find and delete unused images over on WordPress. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, on your profile home's left hand menu, tap on media. Inside it, you will see all the images, but you won't be able to see the details of them. After the updated view, you cannot delete the images in bulk. So for that, just tap on the view drop down menu on the upper right corner and change it to the old one. Now you will be able to see details about which of the images are unused and which ones are attached to any page. Here you can delete the ones that are not attached in bulk. Just change the bulk settings to delete permanently and check mark the file box. Now all the images will get selected. Tap on apply to delete them. A dialog box will also appear stating that the images will be permanently deleted. Tap on delete. So this is basically how you can find and delete unused images over on WordPress. So if you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.